One of the elements of this is the latch guard that goes over the outside of the door. And that again adds to the thickness of the door. When we have the strike plate in there, those two can easily rub. That takes up a lot of space. And I'll mark it here and I'll mark it there. And then I will remove this with the router, a 1/16 of an inch. I mortise this one so that it's a 1/16 of an inch in from this edge, so that when this is in, it's flush with the side of the door. That's another trick that'll help you get these things in. So now that these are recessed, they are flush with the edge of the door, and that is going to give you a nice clearance when the door closes. Is this plate, you got two of them, they go over the locks, and if you just put them on the edge of the door, they can hit that other metal. So what I do is just a mortise so that it's flush with the edge of the door. And then of course when you do that, you have to recess your bolt a little bit more as well. So with that properly recessed, then this fits in and it's flush with the edge of the door, so it's not gonna rub when it closes. They give you these 2.5 inch colored screws. So you want to pre-drill that and put those in. Now those are nice and flush with the side of the door. Make sure you check your locks. You didn't screw anything up, and make sure your door shuts. I put these guards on and I did not mortise the door this time. Look what happens, they rub. You can still get them shut, but they rub a little bit. And also, this doesn't engage. It doesn't click into place anymore. Why not? By installing this door shield, you've made the door thicker, especially on the outside, and therefore it cannot close completely, and that's why it won't latch. So here's how you fix it. We're gonna have to move this thing back a little bit, and that'll solve our latching problem. And here's how we solve the rubbing issue. I noticed these things are proud. See that? These things should be mortised into the astragal. That's just shoddy workmanship. So I'm going to mortise those into the astragal. That'll solve our rubbing problem. Now that that is mortised, it's flush. Same with this one. This has been moved back just a tad. This I had to grind out a little. And now the lock engages. I don't have to shove it. And that turns effortlessly.